Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to create YouTube Shorts with Synthesia and turn your ideas into short, engaging videos for your audience. First, open Synthesia and create a new video project. Before you begin, choose a simple topic and prepare a short script. Since shorts are designed for quick viewing, focus on one main idea instead of trying to cover too much information. Start with a strong opening that immediately tells viewers what the video is about. The first few seconds are important, so avoid long introductions and get straight to the main point. Next, choose an AI avatar that matches your content style. Select a presenter who looks natural and professional for your target audience. After that, choose an AI voice that is clear, energetic, and easy to understand. The voice should match the pace and style of your short. Now, divide your script into short scenes. Keep the narration concise and make sure each scene moves the story or explanation forward. You can add text, images, videos, shapes, and other visual elements to make your short more interesting. Use large and readable text for important points so viewers can understand the message quickly. You can also add subtitles to help viewers follow the narration, especially when they watch without sound. Next, review the pacing of your video. Avoid unnecessary pauses and make sure the transitions between scenes feel smooth. Once your short is complete, preview it from beginning to end.